Welcome back. Now, once you've taken care of the graphical elements in your channel, what you can do is you can click this button that says Customize Channel. When you click that button, it's going to take you to another view of your channel. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to this gear. And you want to make sure that all of these settings are the way that you want them if you want to keep the default settings. Once you've done that, you'll then click Save. Now, the other thing you can do is you can then click the About area. When you click the About area, you're going to be able to add in some detail. For example, you're going to be able to customize your description. And again, you want to be aware that this description is going to also appear on YouTube for your channel. Once you've completed your description, you can then click Done. You can also write in a specific email where you want inquiries to go about your content. And so you can add that email here in this area. If you want to add in a support email, you can do that. Once you have your email address in, you can then click Done. You can also add links to your channel, and these can be promotional links. You can click this arrow, and you can add in custom links that will appear as icons on your channel. So for example, we can click in and put in a URL. Okay, what you'll note is that you can overlay on top of your custom art on your channel, so that means that they'll be clickable on top of the channel that your people will be seeing. And so once you have all of your sites in, you're then going to click Done. And then your content will then be available. And you'll also notice your icons here on top of your channel. You can also arrange your content on your channel. For example, what you can do is you can feature a certain video. You can add a heading and then click Save. You can also decide on which videos are going to appear. You can either have your latest activity or your latest upload. Once you've completed what you want your channel front to look like, you can then click Done. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, if you are creating your channel primarily to do your live streams, one thing that you can do is you can do a channel trailer, and that will introduce people to what you're going to be talking about, will introduce people to the content that they're going to see both live and recorded if they subscribe. And the way you get to the channel trailer is going to be when you come to the front page of your channel, you're going to notice two sides. YouTube is going to show you what people are going to see if they are a returning subscriber. They're also going to show you what people are going to see if they are new visitors to your channel page. And you're going to click that link. When you get there, what you're going to notice is that there's a button here for a channel trailer. And basically, this is going to be a video. Now, it doesn't have to be a live video. It's going to be a video that you're going to record, and you're going to tell people what they are about to see on your channel. And once you have that content ready, all you'll need to do is to come to this button. You'll click, and then you'll be asked to grab a video that is already on your channel. That means then when you upload the video, you're going to need to decide whether or not the video is going to be unlisted. You're going to need to decide whether or not the video is going to be public. That means then that when you upload the video, you need to decide if it's going to be a public video or if it's going to be unlisted, and you only want it to be seen on your channel trailer. And once you have your video in place, your channel trailer is then ready. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, one of the ways that you get more people to view your content is to get them to subscribe to your channel. And of course, they can come to any of your videos and subscribe to your channel, or they can come to your channel page and then they can find the subscribe button. We can also give people a persistent link to your subscribe area so that they can subscribe. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your channel button and get your channel address. Once we have our channel link, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make it look like the link that's at the bottom here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this information and we're going to copy it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put it at the end of the backslash on our channel. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take this entire URL, we're going to copy it, and then we're going to distribute this to those whom we want to subscribe. And so once they get this URL, they put it into their browser, and then when they click the link, what's going to happen is they're going to be brought to this page, and then they're going to be asked to confirm their channel subscription.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to create,
and they'll then be able to confirm. And that is then how you would create your channel link to distribute it to other individuals to subscribe to your channel. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.